Space Junkie is one of the most recognizable custom hot rods created by California metal artist and fabricator Ian Roussel. Inspired by the radical creations of legendary hot rod pioneer Ed Big Daddy Roth, Roussel designed the car as a rolling sculpture that combines 1930s styling, mid-century engineering, and science fiction aesthetics. The original Space Junkie began as a 1931 Chevrolet coupe. Roussel dramatically reshaped the body with an extreme roof chop, an elongated nose, a huge roof opening fitted with a roll-up aluminum panel, and an ultra-low stance made possible by a four-corner air suspension. The proportions exaggerate the streamlined appearance, while the front wheels sit high above the fenders, creating one of the car's most distinctive visual features. Power came from a Pontiac Silver Streak straight-eight engine from the late 1940s, later replaced by a 1951 4.4-liter Silver Streak straight-eight in the rebuilt version. The naturally aspirated flathead engine, equipped with twin Weber 40 DCOE carburetors and custom intake manifolds, was chosen for its vintage character rather than outright performance. Factory output was approximately 116 horsepower, although careful tuning likely improved the figure. A GM Turbo 350 automatic transmission delivers power to the rear wheels. The cockpit reflects Roussel's fascination with aircraft and science fiction. Instead of a conventional steering wheel, the driver uses a yoke-style control. The minimalist interior features sculptural bucket seats, custom switchgear, and a futuristic dashboard that resembles the cockpit of a retro-futuristic spacecraft. Comfort was never the priority. Visual impact was. Space Junkie gained wider recognition through television appearances, including Car Warriors, Monster Nation, and later Full Custom Garage, where portions of its reconstruction were documented. The car's history took an unexpected turn when Roussel dismantled the original build to create Space Junkie 2, a bubble-top evolution designed by Johnny Jalopy. Rather than being scrapped, the original body was preserved. A private owner completed its restoration with Roussel's involvement, creating Space Junkie 1.5 while retaining the spirit of the first car and incorporating updated mechanical components. Finished in a bold paint scheme inspired by Neapolitan ice cream, Space Junkie remains an unmistakable example of American custom culture. Every element, from the exposed straight-eight engine and narrowed Detroit steel wheels to the dramatic bodywork, was built to provoke curiosity and admiration. In recent years, Space Junkie 1.5 was offered for sale with an asking price of $150,000, making it not only a unique custom automobile, but also a collectible piece of modern hot rod history.